Alright, so I'm finishing up here, filling now the front differential on the 2008 Jeep JK 6-speed manual transmission with the 3.8 liter. Alright, so I'm using Redline 75 weight 90 gear oil with this here little pump. Oops, get it in there. Get in there, you. And it calls for 1.1 pints, just basically 1 quart and a tenth. And it's pretty much just pump away. That's what I'm doing here. And pretty much I'm doing it real time, so I just started pumping right now. So I'm already at 11 seconds. Let's see if I can pump faster. Alright. How much can I put a quart in? 24 seconds here. Left hand's getting a workout. Go, go, go. A lot easier than doing the manual transmission change. If you guys might have seen the last video there. Whew, it was a doozy trying to do things one-handed. Might have to get one of them little selfie sticky things to mount this camera on. But anyway, it's not hard to do. Just got to do it. I think the manual says every 20,000 miles or so you should change your differential fluid. Every 20. Alrighty, well, just about there. And the tool that I used to take off the front was I used this here. If you can see it, it's a adjustable swivel head impact tool socket. Right here. That's the drain hole. And I just do that in, and then I torqued it to 20 pounds.